Finally, we set everything up and we can migrate our virtual machine from one cluster to another. Let's create a new namespace and a new virtual machine. I'm creating a virtual machine from instance type and using a boot source image that we already have in the cluster. And now let's wait while the image will be cloned and VM will be running. I see it is running and we are waiting for the guest agent to come up, and here it is. And yes, let's connect to the VM console and write some data. Then we go to the target cluster. We open the MTV menu and we go to Migration for Virtualization, Migration Plans, Create Plan. Plan name can be any name. Source provider is the provider that we created earlier. Target provider is host. Target project, you can choose your desired target project. Next, virtual machines, choose the virtual machines you want to migrate. Network map, we need to use a new network map. We only have pod network, so it's pod network and pod network. And I'm giving it some name. Storage map, use new storage map. My VM is using OCS and I want my target VM to use OCS as well. Migration type, live migration. Transfer network, network that connects your clusters. In our case, it's LM network in OpenShift CNV namespace. Pre-migration or post-migration hooks we don't have, so we leave it empty. Let's review what we have here, and if everything is fine, let's create a plan. The plan is ready, but now, before starting the plan, let's watch our VM in the source cluster. And let's watch the VMs in the target cluster. Now we are ready to start the migration. We see it's progressing. Let's look at the target cluster. What do we have there? Yeah, our VM is scheduling, and in the source cluster, our VM is still running. Let's get back to the target cluster. The VM got scheduled. And now it's running. Our migration plan is complete. Now let's go and check our target VM. Let's connect to the console and see if our data is still there. So this VM is now running in another cluster, but even the console history was preserved, and I see it. Let's check the file. And our data is still here. Wonderful. This is a very primitive test, but it gives you an idea of how to migrate a VM across clusters. If you tried anything more complicated, please let me know how did it go. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy your cross-cluster live migrations.